This is the current facility where the Animal Protection League in Anderson, Indiana houses the neglected animals of our community. It is currently situated between the city street department and the wastewater treatment plant. This was the old way of doing things. Put the unwanted animals of your city out of sight so they remain out of mind. Today, this is no longer considered acceptable. In 2023, the Animal Protection League took in over 3,000 animals. We are a private nonprofit, but we carry the responsibility for being the public shelter for the city of Anderson. This means we don't have the luxury of turning animals away. We must, and we do, take in every single case, sick, injured, dangerous, and even the dying. You name it, we see it all. We have a team of dedicated staff and volunteers that work diligently to save every single animal we take in. We do this by aggressively pursuing every possible avenue of rehabilitation and adoption. Our operating expenses in 2023 were $850,000. The city of Anderson covered $220,000 of that budget. That means 3/4 of our expenses were paid by amazing donors like you. As we look to our future and how best we can tackle the growing problem of unwanted animals in our community, our primary focus is acquiring a new facility. Our current facility is old, and the animals in our care live in cages. This has got to change. There are so many better alternatives, and we can no longer sit by and let this problem continue. These animals deserve better, and it is our mission to ensure that the future of animal welfare does not resemble the past. This is the year for change, and with your help, we will accomplish our mission. So with all that said, there is no more time to waste. We are actively looking for our next location, and we're considering buying land and building, but also looking at existing structures that will allow our animals to live much better lives in suites rather than in cages, with ample room for classrooms where we can educate the youth so their generation does not commit the same sins of the prior. We need several acres of land to ensure all of the animals in our care get the necessary daily exercise. Clean and well-equipped medical facilities in order to better care for the sick and injured animals we take in. A place where animals can live in our care without succumbing to the anxiety and stress of living in cages in an overcrowded facility. It has been said that oftentimes humans do things simply because they can, forgetting to ask if we should. Can we keep a dog on a chain? Yeah, it's legal. Should we keep a dog on a chain? Absolutely not. Can we ignore the problem of overpopulation in our community? Yeah, you have that right. Should you ignore it? Absolutely not. Please join us as we do the right thing for these animals. With your help, we truly can turn this problem around. It starts with you. Please go to inapl.org today to donate.